Back at the build, a framework of timber begins to rise. His plan is to elevate the main structure to protect it from damp conditions. To create a solid deck, a remarkable technique unfolds. Precise cuts allow the hollow bamboo cylinder to be unrolled, creating a flat, durable floor. With the floating foundation set, he begins hand-carving the timber for the shelter. Instead of metal fasteners, he's using traditional joinery. Square holes called mortises that fit perfectly with matching wooden tenons. This method creates an incredibly strong, rigid frame that can be assembled without a single nail.